How to create new shared folder on Dropbox. So on your homepage right here, you will see these options here at the very top. You're going to come here and click on create. And the first option should be the folder option. Come here and click on shared folder. Okay. So first we give it a name. We'll do test 2. And then if you want, you can set this up folder to automatically handle tasks like organizing your content and converting files. You can go ahead and add that automation by checking this, but you don't really need to. Come here and click on create. So the folder is currently being created, as you can see right here. And now you can go ahead and make it require a password if you want. You can go ahead and do that in the settings, or you can just come here and click and copy a link. Of course, you can add someone's email and just share the folder to them that way directly. But I'm going to create an email, copy. So I can copy this link. And now anyone who has this link can go ahead and edit and view this folder.